Ignition is on. All hands stand by. Rise and shine, everybody. Status check, please. Seatbelt.
Seatbelt not buckled, I'm afraid.
Oh my, let me know when we are driving safely again.
Of course, coach.
The temperature is just right, I think.
Yes, I love it.
Attention, I just want to let you know that our fuel tank is more than half full. And with you, engine.
I'm not warmed up yet. I'll let you know when I am.
Roger that, engine.
Is there something loose in here?
Please be careful and fasten your seatbelt.
I'm on top of your